Americans make money in 2025 when money-making issues reign. Today, I would like to take you on a tour of America, where people not only make money with sweat and tears, but also with social networks, AI, memes, and even dancing dogs. What to sell doesn't matter. What matters is viral. In America in 2025, getting rich doesn't just come from selling houses, cars, or selling burgers. Now, if you have a singing cat, a cute baby who says mlem mlem, or simply slipping on a banana peel and still being cool, TikTok can turn you into a millionaire overnight. For example, Mary Twerkton in Texas became famous just by live streaming, arranging flowers while cooking instant noodles and rapping. The result? 6 million followers, 3 separate product lines and advertising contracts from an electric pot. AI doesn't know AI is out of the game. Did you know, Americans now not only use AI to write articles, draw pictures, but also negotiate salaries, write farewell letters, and even ask for leave. There's a guy named Tom, an office worker. Thanks to AI, every morning he just needs to press a button to send a report to his boss, an email to a client, and he leisurely goes to make coffee. Startups are springing up like mushrooms after the rain. Some sell the course instructions for chatting with ChatGPT to flirt with your crush, others teach how to use AI to effectively raise dogs. Those who are quicker open the service. AI does everything for you except cooking rice. Business Air also makes money. Americans are so creative that when you think there is nothing left to sell, they come up with something new to sell. Bottled clean air from the Colorado mountains? Yes. Pure rainwater from Oregon in organic glass bottles? Yes. Recently, a startup launched a service called Hugging Teddy Bears Therapy. For $3,030 minutes, you will be able to hug a bear really soft, no bite. Imagine paying to breathe, hug, lie down, and there are still people paying. Because the mindset of making money in 2025 is, sell what people don't know they need until they can't live without it. Freelancers are on the rise, while offices are abandoned. Americans are now staying rich at home. Freelancers work from coffee shops, beaches, and bathrooms with Wi-Fi. As long as you have a laptop, a PayPal account, and a few online certificates from the 5-minute expert course, you can absolutely get jobs worldwide. There is a guy named Steve who calls himself a good sleep expert. He specializes in reviewing pillows and mattresses for brands. His main job is sleeping and writing reviews. He is sponsored with beds, pajamas, and even wine nose from Amazon to help him sleep better. And the salary, $8,000 per month. I don't even dare to dream. Money doesn't sleep, so neither should you. Americans now have a saying, if you're sleeping, someone else is making money for you. Wake up. And yes, 2025 is the era of making money 24/7, from automated investment apps, dancing NFTs, crypto that analyzes the market itself, to selling dreams. Actually, there's an app that records your dreams for others to buy an experience. There's even a startup that's developing a profitable breathing service. Every time you breathe evenly, the app records it and converts it into health points, which can be sold to insurance companies to reduce premiums. Don't believe it? Try it. Want to be rich in America in 2025? Don't think too traditionally. The story of getting rich in America is no longer just a matter of finance people or bankers. You just need a slightly crazy head, a daring heart, and an internet connection. Because this world no longer belongs to the strong, but to those who know the trend and grasp AI. So, if you are planning to sell milk tea, do nails, open a restaurant, or write jokes, just do it. But remember, laughing is not enough. Going viral is the pinnacle of the art of making money in the 2025 era. Americans get rich by doing nothing. You can make money just by sleeping. The professional sleeper profession is on the rise. Doing nothing, it's easy. You just need to know how to sleep properly. People are now paying you to test mattresses, luxury mattress tester, record dreams, lucid dream recorder, sleep in experimental conditions, sleep in purple light, sleep while whales sing. You just lie down, breathe lightly, dream randomly and let the sensor do the rest. an 8-hour deep sleep can bring 200 din wages and a time-lapse video of your face when you dream about being chased by a bear. Do nothing, AI does it for you. Modern Americans don't write CVs, cover letters, or design anything. Why do anything when AI takes care of everything from A to Z? Want to open an online shop? AI creates a website, writes an introduction, and makes a logo. Want to sell? AI takes care of customers, replies to messages, and writes funnier captions than you. Want to be an artist? AI draws pictures for you, makes music for you, and even composes love poems for you. Many people are currently making money by watching AI work, then selling products made by AI. Real people only appear to take selfies with the results, then post captions like, "Work less, eat more." 2025 is the year of financial freedom. Relaxed investing. Press a button and go out. In the past, investing meant studying price charts, following the market, and listening to podcasts until you can't sleep. Now you don't have to. Americans in 2025 have a mindless investing app. All you need to do is install the app, choose your risk level easy, moderate, or thrilling. Then leave it there, and receive a weekly report with emojis praising you for your good work. And if you invest in real estate, it's simple. Put money into a real estate token. The app will automatically buy a house, rent it out, and collect money for you. At the end of the month, you open your wallet. Oh, I have money. How did I get money? Make money by being yourself. In America, getting rich doesn't necessarily require skills. Sometimes, you just have to live your life happily and strangely, and live stream it online. Some people live stream all day sitting scratching their heads and thinking. Some people open a YouTube channel dedicated to watching birds outside their windows. And there's a girl who attracts millions of viewers just by sitting eating ice cream, telling stories about breakups, and scolding her cat. Do nothing. Just be yourself, and the money flows in like water. Breathing to make money, a true story. A startup in San Francisco has launched the Breath to Earn application, roughly translated as Breathe to Make Money. This app connects to a smartwatch, monitors breathing and health. The more you breathe, the more points you get, which can be converted into shopping vouchers or tokens sold on the market. Americans now do not ask each other, "What do you do for a living?" but ask, "How do you breathe, nose or belly? How many breaths per minute did you get yesterday?" Lazy but strategic equals rich. In the US in 2025, people do not encourage meaningless laziness, but smart laziness. Don't run. Let the robot run. Don't talk. Let AI talk. Don't work, but money still comes regularly. The new generation calls it passive income. Feels like having an old mother transferring money every month, but the mother here is technology. Get rich the American style. 5 unusual jobs that pay 6 figures. If you think being a doctor, engineer, or lawyer is the only way to climb to the top of finance, then congratulations on surviving that old decade. Because America in 2025 has moved to a whole new world, where unconventional jobs are the ones that make money. Americans no longer ask each other, "Where do you work?" but ask, "How do you make money? Do you need to wear pants?" Let's take a look at 5 seemingly funny jobs that pay 6 figures, and sometimes you don't even need to get out of bed. 1. Luxury sleep tester. It sounds like you want to do it right away, right? This job is so simple. All you need to do is sleep. Yes, just sleeping can earn you a 6-figure salary. High-end mattress companies need people to experience new beds, evaluate the softness, the body-hugging ability, and the ability to take you to dreamland quickly. Main job, lie down. Breathe evenly. Don't snore too loudly if possible. You will have to record your feelings after each sleep, and sometimes you will be invited to try smart pillows, brainwave regulating night lights, or AI teddy bears that lull you to sleep with Adele singing. Salary, from $100,000 per year and up. Requirements, special skills that don't need to be learned. Sleep like a piglet. 2. Livestream pet trainer. If you ever thought my cat is as cute as a Korean idol, you are not alone. And there are people who are making real money by being a manager for famous pets on social media. This job requires you to train dogs, cats to pose cutely, wag their tails to the beat, teach cats to act deeply in advertising food, sometimes transform into a director, standing behind the camera with a sweet voice. Honey, lick the ice cream. That's right, honey. The audience loves it. A dog that can dance to TikTok can earn a sponsorship contract of $500,000 per year. If the trainer is good, he can live a healthy life of tens of thousands of dollars a month, not counting the money selling dog shirts with the words "Follow me." Requirements: love animals, be patient, and have the ability to coax cats like coaxing a difficult boss. Professional unboxer. Do you love the feeling of unboxing a new toy, peeling off each layer of plastic with a mesmerizing swoosh sound? In the US, it's not just a hobby, it's a job. Professional unboxers make videos of unboxing products, from phones, toys, vacuum cleaners, to fish snacks. Job requirements: clean hands, smooth movements, fingers may be ensured. Know how to say, "Wow, this box is really sturdy." And the facial expression when seeing a very normal, the pretending to be very surprised, item. A toy unboxing YouTuber can earn hundreds of thousands of dollars a month from advertising and sponsorship alone. Average salary: $120,000 to $200,000. Year. Requirements: the ability to smile 10 different ways with a charging cable. 4. Breathing instructor. Americans today live fast, work fast, eat fast, love fast, so they need someone to remind them to breathe. Breathing instructors are a hot job in tech companies where employees are so stressed that they forget to breathe. Your job is to teach people to breathe properly. Shout out phrases like breathe in, breathe out, ignore the deadline, and collect money for each breathing session. Prices range from $100 to $500 person. Many people who live stream breathe with me every morning even have monthly paid members. Average salary: $100,000 $150,000. Year. Requirements: knowing how to breathe is an advantage. Knowing how to make others love breathing is a genius. 5. Gamers who play other people's games are bored. This is the next level of playing games to earn money. When you play games for other people, they don't want to play anymore. That's right, you will log into other people's accounts and grind for them. Upgrade characters, do boring quests, find rare items, or even just to stand guard over monsters all night. Professional gamers like this are hired by tycoons who don't have time, or teenagers who are lazy but still want to be strong. Salary: from $100,000 USD or more if you work hard and grind like a buffalo going uphill. Requirements: good eyesight, quick brain, and the ability to sit for 8 hours without back pain. Many people invest in massage chairs to sit and play to their heart's content. Don't laugh. That's how Americans get rich. In the US of 2025, careers are no longer part of the traditional job listings, but of the imagination plus a little bit of recklessness. If you've ever thought, "I'm only good at sleeping, playing video games, opening boxes, talking to dogs and breathing," then congratulations, you have the potential to earn 6 figures. Oh, talking about the competition of freelancers, gamers, and unboxers in the US, it is truly a battlefield of survival. Do you think that just turning on the computer, sitting down to play games, or opening toy boxes will make you rich? Not at all. Freelancers are like fish in the ocean. Everyone wants to have customers, so you have to be extremely skillful, hardworking, and know how to promote yourself to the point that you can make customers think you are a multi-talented superhero. Gamers are even more dramatic. When millions of people sit together to play games, compete for the top, live stream, and sometimes get scolded for lag errors, you have to be extremely outstanding to be able to earn money. Unboxers are a separate world. You think that just opening the box is enough, but in reality you have to invest in cameras, video editing, and how to open the box without being boring, otherwise you will be stoned to death. Making money in these professions is not as easy as eating bread, but like running a marathon while being bitten by a pigeon. You need to have skills, luck, and a little trick to stand out from the crowd. In short, don't think about sitting at home waiting for money to automatically come into your pocket, because money is like a difficult cat. If you want to pet it, you have to be patient and pamper it little by little. If you want to succeed in a career as a freelancer, gamer, or unboxer, you must first turn yourself into a tireless multitasking superhero. First, you must be mentally prepared to race the speed of light against time, because customers don't wait for anyone. Streamers are waiting for you to shine, and unboxers must open the box with charisma without being frozen like a wax statue. Second, you must have a creative brain like inventor Tesla in the midst of an idea storm. Because if you only do it in a copy and paste style, you will definitely be an unknown person. Don't forget to practice the skill of turning each video, each project into a masterpiece that makes everyone who watches it exclaim, "Oh my God, why is it so good?" In addition, you must also learn to become extremely resilient in enduring salty comments, because working online is inevitable because there are many crazy fans or anti-fans. If you feel tired, remember to take care of yourself like you take care of a bonsai. Get enough sleep, eat enough, and sometimes be a lazy cat for a few hours to recharge your batteries. Finally, always prepare the armor of patience and the weapon of humor to fight all challenges. Because in this digital world, only those who know how to laugh and work hard are the real winners. So, don't wait for miracles, create your own miracles.